Do you think forgiving someone means you want them back?
Well, I don't think so. Kasi forgiveness, sometimes it's for your own good. Ang hirap nung bit-bit mo lahat yung baggage of pain and parati mo siyang iniisip everywhere you go. And sometimes letting go is just choosing your peace rather than trying to reconcile things.
Yes. Sometimes forgiveness isn't a reunion.
Yeah.
It's about finally choosing yourself, choosing peace, and saying, I'm finally letting you go.